we knew there was a 50-50 shot that'll be white. So as soon as we saw the feet and the nose, we were pretty excited to know that probably going to have another white one. We were kind of excited. The mare's name is Princesspatseattle, and the sire of the foal is Honorable Dillon, son of Tabit. The mare's carrying the gene, so I think she's got a 50-50 shot. This is our third foal. The second foal, it was not white and had very few white on him. I think he only had a star. Definitely he's handsome, very well balanced, and that's what we wanted to see. The half-brother by Bluegrass Cat was also a very nice, big, strapping colt as well. And when we bred her to Honorable Dillon, we were hoping to get some balance into the foal. And once he got up, after a few hours, and we could see that he's definitely a well-balanced horse, we were very excited to see, because it's also the first crop of Honorable Dillon. So we needed to kind of see what's going to be thrown, and since there's a white and a lot of attention, that's kind of what we wanted. Social media is huge. As much as you don't understand it, or as much as I don't understand it, you know, it was huge. In the first couple of hours we were at 30,000. By the end of the night we were at 100. So at that point we knew that this was going to go much bigger than we anticipated. We know that they'll probably end up racing this colt as well. The first one kept them very exciting, so I think the flame is lit, and they will probably proceed on and make sure that this foal gets the proper training and move on to the races as well.